Hi, today I'm for the VIVO V15 Pro and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So open first the control panel, and here you could see all of the available options which you use. If you want to add here some options or remove some of them, or just to change their positions, click here to the three dots and you'll see here this right section just with invisible options which you could add to your panel. Just to add the option, you should hold the icon and drag it by this way. To remove some of them, by the same way, hold the icon and drag it to this right section. Also, we could here switch the positions of the icons just by press, hold and drag it. Then just tap to done to save the changes. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.